around Earth Day in April, for many years now, Disney has put out nature documentaries, which is not National Geographic. It's their Disney Nature line of movies, narrated by mostly big names. They've been doing it for years. What I am getting at, why haven't they went in the direction of getting the narrators? Did they have two narrators? Because it's the UK and the USA versions. You get two different narrators. Depends which ones you watch and which ones you can get a hand of. So, why haven't they picked like Bindi Irwin, Rob Irwin, or the Kraft brothers, Chris and Martin, Jeff Corden? Why haven't they picked up, asked if they want to be a part of this Disney Nature documentary series? I watched one recently, and it had the narration in the USA version of Samuel L. Jackson, and that what just gave me the thought of get a person that is well known, that is in that type of work already. If you know what I mean. Do you remember those nature documentaries? Disney Nature? I think the first one started in 2008. So they've been going on for a while. It's a yearly event. They used to put them out in theaters, but now, since Disney Plus, they just go to streaming. Unfortunately, it's under the radar now. But all the proceeds, when they did go to theaters, went to a wildlife habitats or something like that. So like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what your favorite Disney documentary of the Disney Nature variety is.